the KFC merch shop. They've launched their they've introduced their new summer line to coincide with National Fried Chicken Day. Vintage and modern style apparel, some buzzwordy stuff. They also did a collab with a sunglasses brand called Shady Rays. I think they're Kentucky based as well. The collection includes a beach towel, a bucket hat, a koozie with a retro logo on it, sliders, another tumbler. And it says it'll be updated regularly with new stuff. Let's take a look. You can see it's got this, the reversible bucket hat. That's kind of fun. It's got the finger looking good logo on the outside, and it's got, on the inside, it's just a bunch of chicken legs. Let's see what else. These Shady Rays sunglasses, $54 for sunglasses. And I think these are a name brand. You know, I hope they're not Luxottica. I don't think they are, which would be good. Yeah, I hate Luxottica. I don't hate them, but you know, they control everything. They control everything in the eyewear business. Sliders are fun. Like we did those Taco Bell ones last week. Well, those are Crocs. These are not Crocs. Finger looking good tumbler. These are popular as hell. You know, I don't know why, but everybody and their mother loves these tall tumblers with the handle on them. Like Stanley makes a line of them, and so everybody's kind of knocking them off. Beach towels are always good in the summertime. I like how on this beach towel they use the words Kentucky Fried Chicken, and they're not mincing the thing about when it was fried. You know, the only reason they started calling it KFC is because a while back it was like a health thing, like, oh, you can't eat fried, and so they said, well, we have fried. So anyway, I guess that's it. If you go to their regular collection, everything or all accessories, those are fun. Clothing is, you know, hoodies, jackets, shirts, gym shorts. All accessories is, well, that's everything. Socks. So anyway, there you go. KFC summer collection. What's the takeaway? You know what? You should give this stuff away. You want to sell it? You want people to rock your stuff? Give it to them. If you gave me a bucket hat, I'd wear it for sure. I'm a fan of KFC, but those KFC mashed potatoes are the best. I don't even know if they're real potatoes. In fact, they're probably not. They're probably flakes, and they probably make them in the store, mix them with water. Who knows? It's good stuff, though. And the gravy, awesome.